All right, we're starting off with 1 can of our artichoke hearts. Now I'm gonna come in with some real mayonnaise, and we are gonna add about a cup of our mayo right into our artichoke hearts. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious game day app. This is great if you're just having, your family over, family of 5 or 6. This will feed them throughout the game. Our next ingredient is some sour cream. Now, the best part of this recipe is that it is only 4 ingredients, you guys. So we have our artichoke hearts, our mayonnaise, and some sour cream. We're gonna add about a cup of sour cream into there. This is gonna be delicious. I love sour cream. It is gonna be so good with those artichoke hearts. Beautiful. Now, the one thing this is really missing is some cheese. And I have this Parmigiano Reggiano. I know, it's too fancy for me to even say, but it's delicious, you guys. And we are gonna go heavy-handed with this cheese. This is about 5 ounces of cheese. And I think that sounds pretty good. So let's add the whole thing. You guys can do less if you want, but we love cheese in this house. All right, so those are our 4 ingredients. And an optional little ingredient is just some garlic salt. I don't really count seasoning because you don't have to go to the store and buy it. But we're gonna add some garlic salt. You could do garlic powder, or you could just get this all together. I just love some garlic flavor in everything I eat. All right, you guys, this is ready for a good mix. We're gonna use our hand mixer. You could just use a hand mix if you like, hand whisk if you like. Let's go ahead and mix this all together. I like using the hand whisk because it will also help separate those artichoke hearts so that we don't have just big chunks of artichoke hearts in our game day appetizer. Woo! We know the big game is coming up, and we are testing out our favorite apps so we can pick the winners to serve to all of our guests. I'm pretty sure this is gonna make the menu because an artichoke dip is just, iconic and everyone loves it. You could sub the artichoke hearts for canned spinach if you prefer a spinach dip. You'll still get some amazing flavors with spinach. Okay, let's go a little bit faster so we can really rip apart those artichokes. How do you think that looks, babe?
So this is looking nice and creamy. I would prefer more cheese, but I think this
is good?
Yeah,
I think it's good for now.
Good. Yeah, I think it's gonna taste delicious regardless.
All right, so let's go ahead, put this to the side, and we are gonna grab our mini Dutch oven. Take the lid off. Now, if you don't have a Dutch oven, you can just use a Pyrex dish or any oven-safe dish, and we're gonna put that right in there. Grab our spatula. Make sure all of that delicious dip goes right in there. We're not missing out all those artichokes. So easy, 4 ingredient dip your family will love. Okay, that looks beautiful. And we're gonna spread that from edge to edge so we get a nice even layer. And you know what? I heard you when you said more cheese. So we are gonna do just a layer of the same cheese, so it's still only 4 ingredients, right on top of this dip.
It's
so that,
shaved.
Yeah, so that it just is a nice crisp layer on top of our dip. I mean, what dip is complete without some more cheese on top? Beautiful, and ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 30 minutes until that cheese is nice and brown on top. All right, you guys, we have our French baguette here. And of course, this is gonna make the perfect dipper for our artichoke dip. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these into small pieces. All right, we got these cut super quick. We're gonna bring in our sheet pan, and we're gonna quickly, now to make sure these get extra crispy, we're gonna just drizzle them with some olive oil. Now, if you have garlic olive oil, that would be a great idea. Or if you just have like some fun, seasoned olive oil, that would be amazing. But I just have the traditional in my house, so that's what I'm going for. It doesn't need to be crazy, just a little drizzle here and there. Perfect. Okay, you guys, we're gonna pop this in with our spinach dip and let them get nice and crispy. All right. right, we have some delicious little toasties here. Look how crispy these got. I just love a good crunch with my dips, so these are gonna be exactly what the doctor called for. All right, our dip is out and it's cooling, so let's go ahead and get these nice and placed, and then we can give it a try. Oh my, this smells incredible. Ooh, ooh. Okay, guys, it is time to dig into our artichoke dip. 4 ingredients. Oh yeah, it doesn't get any better than this. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh. Looks so good. Dig in.